Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gems. Myself MADHU Jain. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. The topic of sound of C. In our kindergartens we all have learned C says K, K, and we have made our kids also learn the same thing. Couple of days ago one of my students was reading a sentence. There was a cat in a kitty. I was like, what are you reading? Can you repeat it? The child read, there was a cat in a kitty. Then I said, no beta, it is there was a cat in a city. Then the child asked me, ma'am, C says K. Then C-I-T-Y becomes kitty. How can we pronounce it as city? Then I explained the child the whole concept, which I am going to explain the same thing here. So the concept is, if E, I and Y is added with C, if C is followed by E, I and Y, we pronounce C as S, not as K. Example, R-I-C-E, rice. It will not become rike, rice. N-I-C-E, nice. M-I-C-E, mice. Now, if C is followed by I, C-I-T-Y, city, sir. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-N-E-M-A, cinema. And if C is followed by Y, we pronounce it as sir. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. I-C-Y, I-C. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Now, this is the concept of where C is pronounced as sir. Now here C is pronounced as K. If C is followed by U, C-U-T, cut, K. C-U-P, cut, C-U-R-L, curl. If C is followed by K, it is pronounced as K. D-U-C-K, duck, R-O-C-K, rock. If C is followed by O, we pronounce it as K. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-R-N, corn. If C is followed by R, we pronounce it as K. C-R-Y, cry. C-R-O-Y, crow. C-R-A-F-T, craft. If C is followed by R, we pronounce it as K. C-R-Y, cry. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-A-F-T, craft. If C is followed by A, we pronounce it as K. C-A-T, cat. C-A-R, car. C-A-M-E, cane. And if C is followed by L, we pronounce it as K. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-W-N, clown. C-L-I-C-K, click. So guys, just remember E-I-Y, I letters. If C is followed by these letters, you pronounce C as sir. And if C is followed by U-coral, U-K-O-R-A-L, U-K-O-R-A-L, then C is pronounced as K. Now, I hope that your confusion is cleared. Am I right? Thank you.